Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Microtel Inn Suites by Wyndham Fond Du Lac. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Rolling Meadows Golf Course is a 5-minute drive from this hotel in Fond du Lac, Wisconsin hotel. The hotel features a hot tub and bright, spacious rooms with free Wi-Fi. Cable TV is standard in all rooms at Microtel Inn Suites by Wyndham Fond Du Lac. The air-conditioned rooms include a desk and sitting area. Each room features warm accents. The 24-hour front desk offers fax and photocopying services at Fond du Lac Microtel Inn Suites by Wyndham. A small exercise room is available use. The University of Wisconsin Center Fond du Lac is a 15-minute drive from the hotel. Fond du Lac County Fair is a 10-minute drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.